You can set as many date ranges as you can. As long as the name ends with an underscore date or underscore time, the date picker will know and render you the date launcher accordingly. However, adding a new named range for each separate range in the same worksheet can become monotonous. Let me show you how to set multiple date ranges in a single name. In this worksheet, I have 2 time columns. Instead of adding one name for each column, I can add a single name like this. When selecting a range, I will add the first range the normal way, get out, and then come back to add the second range. When done, I will substitute the plus sign with a comma, and that's it. Now, both of these separate ranges are defined by the same name. I can even add as many separate ranges as I can depending on the demand of the project. One thing to note is that I cannot add a date range here because this name has already been defined as a time range. If I do that, the system will create and give me a time picker where I don't need it. So, this means that this column should have a separate date range. You see, just like that. This worksheet is now fully configured to use both the date and time picker. Just to remind you, this is a single tool that behaves differently based on the code. To the eye, because of speed and accuracy and different views, you may think these are separate objects. But in reality, this is a single user form that uses a clever decoupling technique to render each view according to what is needed. So if you play around with it a lot, especially when you are in dual mode, you will notice that this tool is indeed a chameleon. Now, you may be asking yourself, what if I prefer a different icon instead of this default icon? Let me show you how to do that next.